Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, if you're a regular viewer of the channel, or you just happen to have a really good eye for detail, you've probably already noticed that Christmas tree sitting right over there in the corner, and that can only mean one thing. It's time again for the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. Now, this is hands down my favorite time of the year, and boy do I get excited over these next 12 days, because we get a chance to give back to all the viewers that have supported us throughout the year, and nothing makes me happier than sending a prize off to somebody, knowing they're going to fly for the first time, or they put a security camera out back of their house, or they've got a better microphone, or who knows what we're giving away. Now, normally I have some of the prizes on the table, but you'll notice today there's nothing out here because I thought, let me keep it interesting this year. Let me not show you everything we're giving away, and that way you'll be excited just like a kid at Christmas. Now, this is hands down my favorite time of year because we get a chance to be a little extra goofy here on the channel, so it's going to run pretty much the same way it's run years past, where I'll tell a joke, you'll laugh, maybe you won't, but probably you'll laugh, then I'll sing a little song, and then we'll give away a prize. And it couldn't be easier to enter these contests. Every day, there'll be a new prize we're giving away. There'll be a link below in the comments. Just click that link. It's going to ask you for your email. That's all I need from you. We don't keep the emails. We get rid of them every year. We're not going to send spam to you and bug you throughout the year, but I need that to be able to get a hold of you, because if you win, and we're going to pull a random winner every day, if you win, I'm going to send you an email and say, hey, good news, you won the, I'm not telling you what it is, you won the thing. Send us your shipping address. We'll put that thing in a box and we'll ship it off to you. No strings attached. There's no charges. There's no cost to you. We just basically ship it out, and it can be anywhere in the world. I don't care where you live. You probably have a beautiful neighborhood, but you could live in Cucamonga for all I care. I love picking on Cucamonga, but it's a beautiful place. Anyway, you could live anywhere in the world. We put the thing in a box, we ship it off to you. You open the box, you're really happy, you have a great holiday season. So that's where we're going to go with it. Now, a lot of people have asked me, Rick, you've been singing in a lot of these clips. Are you really going to sing this year? And I thought about it, and I thought, of course I'm going to sing this year. I have a lot of fun singing. So you'll have to listen to me sing the 12 Days of Christmas. One day, every day, I'll put a little song in there, and I've got a lot of good jokes. And some of these are knee slappers. Some of them are dad jokes. Some of them you're going to groan. But I promise you, you're going to tell other people when you hear these jokes. So that's pretty much it for today. So this thing starts tomorrow, and you'll have to enter every day because it's confusing to keep all the names together. So tomorrow the first one goes up, and every day after that there'll be another giveaway right through Christmas. So stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there, because nothing makes me happier than knowing a ding came up on your phone the morning we've got the contest up, and you can enter the contest, and who knows what you're going to win. We have a lot of manufacturers we work with that are incredibly generous, so we want to thank all those manufacturers as we give some of those products away. A lot of the products we bought ourselves, and I've got some really cool Drone Valley products in there as well. So it's a good mix of technology, a couple of drones, a couple of cameras, a couple of other cool things. So stay tuned to the channel. You'll definitely want to get in on this. And again, I have to say it, I say it every year, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. This channel started really small, and I just put it together to be able to talk about technology and hopefully help people out there understand technology better. And it's kind of expanded over the years to cover things beyond drones. And I just love talking about technology, and I love giving back, because we're just regular folks here at Drone Valley, and we fly our drones, we play with technology all the time, and if we know we're helping anybody understand some of the new and emerging technology that's hitting the market, that just makes our day. So thank you so much for your viewership, and please make sure you stay tuned over these next 12 days, because we are giving away a pile of stuff, and ho, 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 if we got some good prizes. I had to work that one in. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. So happy flying.